goodbye to the people on the dock. Bye, everyone. Oh, we're never gonna see them again. Alright, folks, welcome aboard. My name is Skipper Miguel. Just a few rules to the jungle. Please keep your hands, arms, legs, feet inside the boat at all times. Remain seated, and please supervise those children. That way I don't have to. Alright, folks, as we enter the Amazon jungle, we do come across our first sign of danger. Anybody want to see some danger today? Any thrill seekers? Yeah? It's right there. This is danger. And right across the jungle, we do have the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Fun fact, it was almost called the Temple of the Forbidden Knee, but that's just incorrect grammar. Oh, and over on the opposite side, we have a great Siberian tiger. You know they can jump over 20 feet. Luckily, we're only about 10 feet away, so he'll just fly right over us. Oh, careful, my friend Ginger right there. Ginger snaps. Alright, friends, as we exit the ancient Cambodian shrines, we're going to come across the Indian elephant swimming pool. Feel free to take pictures, everyone. They do have their trunks on. And check out my friend on the right side over here. She's been in the shower for far too long. Just look at all those wrinkles. Now, did you guys know that elephants have really good memory? I wish I had really good memory. It would help me a lot with my job. Oh, and careful with my first squirt over here. He does like to get his wet every now and then. How you doing today, squirt? Oh, duck, everyone, duck, duck. Quack, quack. Keep your eyes peeled for danger. We might need to split. Oh, it almost got me there. And if you look over to my left side, you'll see absolutely nothing. Oh, someone please give that gorilla a hand. Now, as we make our way across the front side of water, we're going to head into the Nile River. Yes, the Nile River is the longest river in the world. It goes on for miles and miles and miles. And if you don't believe me, you're in denial. Of course, you're in a boat. Over to my left is the most dangerous animal in the jungle, the African elephant. Now, did you guys know that elephants have really good memory? I wish I had a good memory. It really helped me a lot with my job. Alright, folks, now we've made it to the majestic African belt. Take it all in, folks. You do not see this every day. I do. I see it every day. Oh, that zebra is dead tired, that is. Dead tired. Oh no, and it looks like we have Skipper feelings in his crew. Always remember, folks, never cross a rhino. They always get their point across. Oh dear. Alright, folks, we're about to enter some treacherous waters. We're coming across a herd of hippos. They leave one of our jungle cruise boats every hour. Not quite time, but let's get scared them away. Everybody come in here, we're going to scare them away, folks. Come here. Not to worry, folks. I got the two hiding in the trees. Oh, and it looks like we found Skipper Felix's boat. And it looks like it's overrun by a family of monkeys. And That's what I call serious monkey business. And over to my left, I see more playful monkeys. Looks like they're getting into trouble with our bug crate. You know, folks, butterflies just aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. Alright, folks, and we made it to the spectacular eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water. Woo! Give it up, folks. O2H. And on the other side is the front side of rock. Don't take it for granted, boo. Now, the locals told me that this is a really good fishing spot, that the fish are always biting here. Do you guys see any fish today? They're not biting, but they are boiling. Oh, there they are, piranhas. Let's get out of here, folks. Not the kind of fish we want. And over to my left side, you're going to see a snake sitting on a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. And we made it to Trader Sam's gift shop. Everybody smile for that camera. And smile for my friend Ellie. Be careful with Ellie, folks. People think that's water she's throwing out, but it's not. Alright friends, just a few reminders as we exit the jungle. Please keep your hands, arms, legs, feet inside the boat at all times. Remain seated. And please supervise those children.
Oh, excuse me. I thought someone called my name. My mistake.
Alright folks, we made it to the most dangerous part of our jungle cruise today. The return to civilization.